Hi friends, it's me, Valentina. So, it's actually not Valentina, by the way. It's Grace. So, today I'm gonna do a Fashionnova try-on haul. I'm gonna make this intro quick. It's gonna be super casual because look at my hair. I just did my makeup for work. But yeah, we're just hanging out today in my house. It's really cute. We're in the sunroom. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. So we're in the sunroom right now, but I want to do a Fashionnova haul because collectively I've spent over $1,000 in the past 3 months on Fashionnova, and I like keep on waiting and like pushing it back to film this because I keep on ordering more and more stuff. But we're finally good. Finally got all the goods. I've looked up and down their entire website, can't find anything else that I want. Fashionnova, if you're watching this and you've noticed an excessive amount of things from Fort Collins, Colorado, it's me. It's me. Everyone else here wears sandals and running shorts. Not me, bitch. Not me. So, I'm gonna do a Fashionnova try-on haul now. My lash is kind of like crooked. Yeah, it's my makeup. And I kind of want to put my mirror right here. We're gonna put it right here. There's a biker and they aren't wearing Fashionnova. What a fucking slut. I just brought my mirror from my room here. Commitment. So the first thing we're starting off with is really risky. Out of the gate, ba-bam. Both of these items are from Fashionnova. Let's get started. Okay, so we have this. These are called split personality pants. I'm obsessed. I saw this girl named Sierra wear them. She was doing like things I normally wouldn't buy, or buying things from Fashionnova that I think are ugly. She thought these were ugly, and then they came in the mail and she was like, these are so cute. So I usually wear these pants with this top if I'm going out, or a black crop sweater that I also have. It's really cute. But then this top is just a bodysuit. I don't know what the back looks like. Oh my god. It's just a bodysuit. It's lingerie. We take some risky pics in it, but I wear it out a lot because I wear lingerie out in public because I don't really care. But yeah, so that's outfit number one. This top, I get so many compliments and so much hate on it. So you can wear like a sheer shirt over it and double sheer it. Just wear it peeking out, or just wear it for lingerie. I'm just a little bit over risky. And I'm gonna keep this top on, by the way, whenever I change pants, because I don't feel like changing anything else, so. Okay, and for these next pair of pants, they're so cute. So these are these long pair of pants. They're called like Make Me Blush pants. They're really, really cute. They have like business stuff up here. It's just this like such a boss bitch like pair of pants, you know what I mean? Few things I don't like about this. Camel toes, like easily, like look at, like instantly. So you'd have to stand like this a lot. Another thing is it's really long, so I like have to wear heels, but even with heels they can be too long, so I might hem it. And another thing is that it makes my butt look really not the best. Okay, for these next pair of pants, I'm gonna get a pair of shoes because it kind of looks just awkward without shoes. So we're gonna put on a pair of shoes so you guys can see. They're like silk joggers, kind of, and we're gonna put on some heels for this bad boy. Hopefully it'll make it look better. I've never worn these pants out, so for these, I like that there's just dust everywhere. These are a pair of silk joggers, pockets, booties, joggers. They're really comfortable. I feel like I could just like walk around in them all day. Hope my neighbors aren't watching me. But yeah, these are really cute. They have the same waistband where it's just cinched, fluff, and then they're just joggers. I'm gonna take a mirror selfie. They're too high-waisted. So like I pulled them down and now they look more like joggers. And they look cuter. So we like this. We like these. We like them. We like them. So these are really chill. Just, I don't really know why I got these. Look at, like, oh, they're actually really cute on camera. They just really don't make my body look that good. Like, maybe if I was scrunched down a little bit right there. But they really show the hip dips. But these are cute. I didn't realize how cute these were. Okay. I'm feeling it now. Wow. Okay. So it's this romper. It's really cute. It's silk. Has all this lace and the back is a crossback. I like wearing it with this underneath just because it gives it a little bit more structure. Because when you wear this alone, it's just frumpy and everything's everywhere and just don't know. But I really like this alone, or with this white. So cute, so flattering, and confident booster for sure. Ready? Look at this bad boy. Look at it. This is some shit I would have worn to prom. I did wear a Fashion Nova jumpsuit to prom, but this is amazing. It makes my hips look good. Makes my bust look good. It has this little, it's a romper or a jumpsuit, but it has this little fun stuff right there. And then the back is completely open. I would show you, but I don't have anyone to zip it up right now. Do we love? Do we love? Do we love? Do we love or what? So cute. I'm obsessed with this. Yes, 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 yes.